Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on Vivo Y19s Pro. If you are using Vivo Y19s Pro and now you want to hide your apps, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. From settings, just look for privacy and security. Here's the privacy, just tap on it. And here just look for app encryption. If you can't get it, just go back and look at your password and security option. And here just look for privacy and app encryption, tap on it, then verify yourself. From here just select app hiding, and here you just have to select the apps which you want to hide. As I'm going to hide Facebook, and here files manager and Facebook Lite. Just select the apps which you want to hide, and after that just enable this, which is view hidden apps, and read the description. Here swipe up with two fingers to the home screen to verify view your hidden apps. So let's see how. You just have to go back and swipe up with your two fingers, just like that. So after that you just have to verify yourself, and you will get an app folder with hidden apps named. So here you will easily get your hidden apps. So that's how you can easily hide apps on your Vivo Y19s Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.